going to lay a surprise on you this morning, Randy. I got wind yesterday or last night that ChatGPT has implemented search, right? So my question to you was, and you answered it correctly, but for anybody that watches this, where do you think ChatGPT is getting their search results?
And that's Bing.
Correct. And so one of the things that I have been saying in some of our groups, right? Because there is this mindset that Google owns and controls everything. And Google controls majority of the search market, but they've been losing share. They've been losing market share on a monthly basis. And I forget what those numbers are, but for September, they're down like 3%, right? So all of these AI tools, the things that Bing is doing, Google is losing market share to search or their control on search. And so the thing that I try to share with people is, right, for us old guys that have got gray beards, we've seen how fast things can change, right? And so there are a lot of people that don't think anybody can displace Google. And we don't subscribe to that. But by January 2020, the search market, the way people search for things is going to change drastically, right? It won't look like it does right now. But what I wanted to do is let's do a quick search example, right? So you come into,
Well, before you do that, just to add to that, what we're seeing right now that we didn't see yesterday was the fact that ChatGPT has now added a search function to ChatGPT, which is the most utilized AI chatbot in the world right now. And adding this there right when people are in there doing their work and, oh, I need to look for something is huge.
right,
Absolutely huge.
and ChatGPT is the fastest growing app of all time.
Yep.
And I forget what the numbers are, but it had a growth rate or an adoption rate faster than Google, AOL, Bing, Facebook, any social media platform. ChatGPT blew those numbers out of the water, right? And so one of my other points is there are people in our space that don't give any credence to Bing, right? Because Google has had such a dominant position or control of the search space. But because of the investment that Microsoft has made into ChatGPT, and now they're integrating search results are going to come from Bing, but also when you look at what Microsoft is doing with Copilot, Copilot is right. We know because we're on a Skype call right now recording this, we can use Copilot. Copilot's getting integrated into the Windows. And so you can make a compelling argument for anybody that's been in the search space doing SEO work, right? You can no longer treat Bing like a stepchild, right? Because
Absolutely not. When you talk to people, when we're in the market talking to people and we ask which of the chatbots that they're using, ChatGPT or Gemini or Baird, 95% of the time they're saying we use ChatGPT just because it's easier and it's better.
yep,
So here's what's interesting is how they're presenting the search results when you use a chat search that's available on your screen when you're working with ChatGPT. And remember, you can get ChatGPT app on your phone.
I have it
They
on my,
use it.
you have it on your phone?
Actually, I don't.
We can fix that later today.
Yeah. Go.
So let's go through our little exercise. Where can I learn about mono implants? Oh, this was interesting, right? So we got this yesterday when we were running a test. So the first time I did this this morning before we recorded, we only got one response, right?
Yep.
This morning, right, we get to choose, do we want response one or do we want response two? And I'm going to pick.
Well, just click on it to see. Well, let's do two. Oh wait, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it
Either
doesn't
one.
matter for them, right? So what we're gonna do, so let's click on each one of these. Mono Implant official website, and this is an international website, so we're gonna close that one out. Mono centers, and
This is Jared Elias's site
yes,
in Michigan.
yeah, and
Model.
that's another one of their sites.
Mono implant workshops. Yep.
And
Mono Implant Academy. You didn't do Mono Implant Academy.
okay, I thought I did. And
No,
check and
that's Shackins in there. Do Mono Implant Academy. One up right there. Oh, it was just working a second ago. Oh, there it goes.
so
So
we've
go
got
ahead.
three hits or three search results showing up in this ChatGPT web search.
And this is a blog post that we had done. So they're not going right to the site. They're going to something that has a lot of information, being a blog post that we had set up for Mono Implant Academy. So if you look at that, 3 out of the 5 results are us.
Yep. And let me see.
So let's just wrap that up.
So what'd you think of that,
Very
Randy?
interesting. Exciting. We are showing that this is doing exactly what we had predicted would happen. And it is now happened. This is the very first day that this has come out to the public. Mind blowing.
Oh, yes. All right. We'll stop it right here. Comment below.